Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag, and this one is Polybag 20002, the City 4x4 Fire Truck. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I've been doing one of these Polybags a day, every day for the recent past, and my plan is to do one of these Polybags a day, every day for the foreseeable future. So, if you like this kind of thing, there's a bunch already out there, and there's more on the way. I think this one is number 208, maybe? So, I've done almost 7 months worth of these. So, if you like this kind of thing, there's a bunch of them out there, and there's plenty more on the way. Now, if you're interested in this particular set, I have included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink. And I've also included the brick set description for this particular set, like the link to the brick set page, if you want just general information about the set itself. Now, a word of warning with these with these Brickmaster sets, some of them can be a little expensive, and just shop around. If you're interested in one of these sets, just make sure you look around and make sure you're getting the best deal, because, you know, it's always a good idea to try and save money on your LEGO sets, because that means you have more money to spend on LEGO sets, and you know, you can't go wrong with that. So let's see, let's put together this. So he's gonna have his air tank. Actually, let's give the fireman legs first. Alright, so no printing on the legs, but kind of not bad printing on the torso, right? Check that out. Doesn't look too bad. So we got this goes here, like so. Huh. Alright, so it's our guy. It's our fireman. He goes on there, and then we gotta pop the little visor on, and then a hat. So the visor pops on. I bet these visors are one of those things that people break a lot, because whenever there's a set with a visor in it, they always give you a backup. Alright, so we got the visor, and we got the fireman's hat. So that's pretty good. And we'll give him his fire extinguisher, which I'm pretty sure he's got coming. And then the fireman's, well, the axe. This isn't actually like a fireman's axe. I think these sets probably... did these sets actually predate the fireman's axe? I kind of think they might. Alright, so we got our dude. Now we just got to build the vehicle. Alright, so we aren't going to need the extra of that for sure. Alright, so our 4x4, we got to put this thing together. So let's see. So that's going to go there, and this is going to go here. And then this is going to be like our bumper for the front of it, and our bumper for the back of it. And then flip it over, and like so, and like so, and like so. And that's kind of quick and easy. Okay. Huh. Wow, that's kind of a cool piece. There's a lot going on with this piece right here. Oops. You know, I don't think I've ever seen this piece before. I feel like I should have, but I don't think I have. I wonder... I doubt it's unique to this set, but I wonder how common it is. Kind of interesting. Alright, so red and blue. little fireman lights, or fire emergency lights, like so. And this is going to go on the back. Or is this going to be the front? Maybe this will be the front. Alright. So after that, we got this, and this, and this. Alright, I got that so far. Now, we got to do the other one. I'm guessing this is the front, because this looks like the front grille. Yeah, because those are going to be headlights. And so we got these transparent cheese slopes as headlights, which looks pretty good. Actually, this looks really good as the front of a vehicle. Huh. I wonder if this piece is unique to the city sets, and I just have never run across it. Because I haven't done many of the larger city sets. This goes on the front. Like so. Looks pretty good. Alright. And then put these on here on the sides. Like so. And that takes care of that. I was figuring we'd do something like this. So this is the back. I got that. And like so. Kind of interesting. So it's like resting on top of that. Which is okay, I guess. It gives it a little bit of extra support. I can forgive that one, I think. Alright. And then we got a big old like car hood there. And then the steering wheel. And this piece goes right here. And we're going to have this as the clip, I'm assuming, to hold, I don't know what it's going to hold. I guess it'll hold either the fire extinguisher or the axe, and this will hold the other one. And then alright, so actually that answers the question. It'll hold the respirator. And that holds the axe. And then this goes on top right here. Oh, and that's going to hook around the back. Again, kind of cool. The fire extinguisher's going to go there. Which, well, he's got it in hand right now, so. We did put a couple more fire lights, emergency lights on top. I was figuring this was coming because we had too many left over. And then we have the windshield, which goes on like so. And then pop the tires on. I like the tires a lot. I like the kind of the bigger, more substantial tires. Alright, I gotta tell you, as polybags go for city vehicles, this is a reasonably substantial one. And extra piece-wise, we have these. But yeah, this is a pretty substantial, like, polybag. I mean, not polybag, but a pretty substantial vehicle for like a city vehicle. And so these clip here, like so. I'm gonna leave his respirator and stuff on for when he's driving. Oh, huh. I guess you can't. He can't drive with his pack on, with the tanks. That's interesting. I didn't think about that, but that makes sense. All right, I like it. I'm not super thrilled that he can't ride in it with wearing his like tanks and respirator, but overall it's not too bad. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent, I hope y'all have an excellent day.